Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Red Bull is made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes videos like this.
Red Bull production begins with carefully sourced ingredients arriving at the factory. Exact measurements are essential to maintain the signature Red Bull formula. Advanced Red Bull systems prepare ingredients with precision and efficiency. Every Red Bull batch starts with a controlled and carefully monitored preparation stage. Red Bull ingredients are blended in large tanks to create a perfectly balanced mixture.
The Red Bull formula is mixed with precision to ensure its unique taste and consistency.
The blended Red Bull mixture flows through sealed pipelines for the next stage. Every Red Bull batch moves seamlessly through a fully automated processing system. Red Bull is infused with carbonation, giving it its signature energy and refreshing fizz. Precise pressure control ensures every Red Bull can delivers consistent carbonation. Automated systems refine each Red Bull batch with unmatched accuracy. Every drop of Red Bull is crafted to deliver a smooth and energizing experience. Red Bull is cooled and stabilized to maintain freshness before packaging begins. Red Bull is filled into cans at high speed with extreme precision and hygiene. Each Red Bull can is filled to an exact level for perfect consistency. Red Bull cans are sealed instantly to preserve freshness and carbonation.
Check the throughput on conveyor 2. We have a slight bottleneck forming.
I see it. Adjusting the speed now.
Each Red Bull can is branded with its iconic design before packaging.
I found a dent on the seam right here.
Let me see that. Pull it from the line.
Advanced scanners ensure every Red Bull product meets precision quality checks. Red Bull is carefully packed and palletizer using automated systems. Red Bull shipments are loaded and prepared for fast global distribution. This video by Next Inside Process contains AI-generated visuals created for educational and documentary purposes.